Yes, we have seen it all. And cute kids scribbling, and they love the activity as much as we get angry or irritated by that. But yes, when the child scribbles using both the left hand and the right hand, and they try experiment a lot, they in fact doing their muscle exercises that they do need for growth. And motor coordination is very vital for the child's growth. And most of it, with the child learns at the age of 4 and within 7. Rest all are will be, have to be learned by acquiring a lot of other skills, relearning and learning again. But most of it, with the child learns, stays for life, what they learn till the age of 7. And one aspect that we learn in this is early as earlier you teach them, the better they grasp the thing. Just that they're quick at learning languages, they're also quick at learning a lot of other things as well. You find a lot of young kids, 3 years old, very apt in using the mobile apps and features, whereas people after who are cross 40, 50 will be struggling with it. Why? Simple reason, because young kids adopt faster, and whatever they learn at the age of 7 works like magic in their lives. And after 7, it becomes a little difficult because they get distracted, and they um, tend to imitate others blindly without even knowing whether it is useful or not useful. And here comes in meaningful scribbling. As a meaningful scribbling expert, what the child will learn is how to scribble, how to adopt curves, alphabets, and numbers, and make it into some creative things. Let us take, for example, that when we do learn anything in a classroom, we have to learn, the child needs to learn how to sit in a classroom. And where does the child sit? The child sits on a chair. Now let us look at this familiar alphabet in Hindi. Yes. Now with this, I'm going to draw a chair. We will, I'll repeat this again down, and there you go. You have a chair. Isn't this simple? Now children sit on the chair and then do their lessons while they study. Now let us take, now without the table, how will they place their books? Here we go. I have adopted the same thing, a little longer, and made it into a rectangle. And here again. Right. And here you have the table. There. The table and the chair. Now let us look at speaking about children. Let us draw a child here. You're drawing the right open curve, closed curve. This. Right. The shoes. Thank you.